Hi everybody, thank you for putting my face back on your screen. I forgot to intro this video earlier, so it's kind of late now, but I'm still introing it. So I know what happens, but we went to this abandoned zoo. Oh, ice cream truck. I don't think that's gonna stop. Anyways, so we went to this abandoned zoo. We had a fun time. You'll see what happens by the title of this video. Aha. But thank you guys so much for clicking on the video, so let's do this.
Nothing to see here. The packing method is the most important part. You like it nice and tight because it's the best way to go about it. I really think it's not do anything. It did sound big.
Okay, we have all these boxes. I'm gonna make a fort. I got my house tour, got everything. You know, I'm gonna get in this box too, just be extra safe. All right, Garrett's gonna shoot it from the outside. Okay, I'm ready. No! Ah! Oh my God! Oh my God! So my fort held up actually very well. You know, I was definitely safe and sound in there, so I highly recommend cardboard if someone's shooting a shot at you. I think this is a great look. Oh my God! Oh wait. Okay, oh my God! Oh my God! Oh, that actually didn't really hurt. Fire in the hole.
Oh God. Holy shit!
That's making my ear ring. Oh my God. Ow, my ear.
How'd you get in there?
Hey! If you climb up and then you can just climb down right here.
You're like a caged beast. A wild bed.
It's a nice view. So we're just hiking right now, finding more spots along the zoo because there's more spots.
Trying to catch us.
I really hope I don't fall and slip back. I really hope you don't fall and slip and hit me and then I fall. Okay, I'm gonna try to grab onto that thing. Oh my God!
I can't do this.
This is the sketchiest thing. Yes!
Gotta hang my camera on some trees like that. Isn't that right, man? Oh.
So the trail that we were just on down there definitely just leads up all the way over here. And we just took the hardest and longest way to get up here. Wow, model status.
Don't move.
Oh! And again, of course, we took the hardest way possible when the trail was right next to us. Whoa, I want to get in these cages. How do you do that? Oh, if I go in the back, I can. I want to get in these, so I think if I get in there, I can get behind everything. Okay, I'm just gonna try to climb up this, I guess. Okay, it's gonna be really hard with one hand, but... Oh, geez, there goes my camera. Okay, put the camera down. Okay, we got it. I feel like this is definitely very sketchy to walk on. There's a... These don't really hold me. Wow. Wow. Oh, great. Oh, no, you can get in over there. Alright, here we go. Oh! We made it in this small tunnel. Ow! Oh! Whew. Made it in here. You know, it's kind of nice view of the park, everyone walking by. I mean, even though I'm caged in, this might just be my new house, to be honest. What do you guys think? Move here? What, there's a bed right there? I think I'm gonna start accepting roommates soon, so hit me up, you know. Our room can be connected, can get a couple roommates. Hey! Bye, Ben. Alright, so I guess I'm gonna live in here. I'm coming. Goodbye, house. It was great. It was great seeing you. I'm gonna go do the paperwork to buy it. You want help? Oh my god. Oh, it's 8 weeks.
How was it?
Ow, ow. This is where all the animals were, I guess. They, like, walk down here. This is where they sleep. There's so many little. Wow, this thing's just. Oh, it's big in here. Come into my lair. Wink.
Hello.
Hello.
What are you filming for?
YouTube and MySpace.
What channel are you? Why? What are
You guys do an animal noise?
No, I just got here. How do you guys get into
It takes so long to get up these stairs. I have to like crawl. Look how tall they are. Damn, this is where they went out the animals to their exhibits, you know. There's a sketch in here. You guys, I think they left an animal still here. Look. Looks like an albino monkey. That's my albino monkey call.
Yes! You just got pumped! Yes! Yes!